In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add page in Sejda PDF Editor. If you need to insert a page into a PDF quickly, Sejda makes it simple and doesn't require installing software. Open your web browser and go to sejda.com. You'll know you're in the right place when you see that Sejda helps with your PDF tasks. It works on most modern browsers, and because it's web-based, it's convenient for quick edits. Just keep in mind that very large files may take longer to upload depending on your connection. On the Sejda homepage, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. It's free. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the PDF Editor, which is the tool we'll use. If you're on a smaller screen and don't see it right away, give the page a second to load, or look for the Editor tile among the main tools. Next, click Upload File and select the PDF you want to edit from your computer. Choose your document and confirm. Sejda will upload and open it in the editor. You'll see your pages displayed, typically as thumbnails. Wait for the document to fully load before you continue. If your PDF is on the larger side, allow a moment for processing. That's normal with online editors. Once your PDF is open, navigate to the spot where you want the new page. Move your pointer between the two pages where the new page should go. When you hover in that space, you'll see the option Insert Page here appear. Click Insert Page here, and Sejda will add a new page exactly at that location. This is perfect for slipping in a blank page for notes, a title page, or a divider between sections without rearranging the rest of your document. If you clicked in the wrong place, don't worry. You can undo your last action using the Undo button at the top of the editor or the standard keyboard shortcut on your device, then try again. Take a moment to confirm the page landed where you intended by scrolling and checking the page order. That's all there is to it. Visit sejda.com, choose Edit a PDF document, upload your file, and click Insert Page here between the pages where you want the new one. It's a quick, reliable way to update your PDF without complicated software. If you're working with sensitive documents, close the browser tab when you're done and avoid using public computers just to be safe. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps whenever you need to insert a page, and you'll be able to update PDFs in just a few seconds.